Step 1. Park the vehicle precisely in the designated area, aligning it with the floor markings to ensure proper connection to the charging station. Step 3. Identify the charging port on the vehicle's side, then open it to access the connection point for the charging cable. Step 4. Firmly insert the charging connector into the vehicle's charging port to ensure a stable and secure connection for charging. Step 5. Begin the charging session using the display controls and continuously check the charging status on the station's display to ensure proper operation. Step 6. End the charging session. Carefully unplug the charging cable and securely reattach it to the charging station. That was the final step.